welcome. Today we will learn how to play Love Song by The Cure. This song only needs 5 chords, so it's something that we can learn right away. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and let's get started. For this song, here are the chords that we need. A minor, G, F, E minor, and that's most of the song, and then we'll also need C chord a little bit later. The strumming pattern that I'm doing is down, down, up, down, up, known as the island strum or the calypso strum. So it's down, down, up, down, up, one time for each chord. And if you wanted to rock out a little bit more, you can do a down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. For the intro, we will need A minor, G, F, E minor in that order, each one getting one strumming pattern. And we're going to repeat that chord progression 4 times. So let's just play through the intro right now. All right, let's try it together. 1, 2, 1, 2, intro. Okay, perfect. Now the good news is that we follow that same order to go into the verse, and all of the verses are the same form. So let's play through one of the verses. 1, 2, 1, 2, verse. Ready, go. Whenever I'm alone with you, you make me feel like I am home again. Try my memory. Whenever I'm alone with you, you make me feel like I am home again. After the verse, we have the super iconic little guitar solo, which we can do on our ukulele. Or if you feel like you just want to keep strumming, you can do the same chord progression that we were just doing. You just have to do it 2 more times for that little instrumental break. Now, if you'd like to learn that picking pattern, it's pretty easy. So let's just try it. Try it even if you think you're going to strum through it. I think you'll surprise yourself. Okay, so we're going to be picking A string, and then it's going to be open. Then 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 3rd fret again. So let's do those 4 notes first. See, you got this. And then 2, open, 2, 2. So right now we have you have that. And the next part is an open A. Now move over 1 string on the 3rd fret and open that string, E string. So it sounds a little bit like this. Hold on, look up and let me play it. We do it 3 times. And to finish the phrase, we do a 2 and a 0 on C string. Now, I know some of you are really, really smart and you're thinking, it goes a lot faster than that, and my finger can't pick those first few notes that quickly. Well, for you, we have what is called a hammer-on. So you're gonna pick, and your finger's gonna come down on the 2nd fret. The faster you do it, the cleaner the sound. So if you want to do it fast, see how my finger's not picking when I bring it down for the 2nd note? I'm not using the thumb for that. It's just my speed. If you do it slow, you won't get a sound, so you gotta be fast. You don't need calluses, you don't need superhuman strength. No, no, no. You just need to be fast. Okay? And you're gonna do the same for the 3rd fret. It takes some practice to like land it on the right spot. I need to practice, but I'm giving you the example. And then the second 3 you can pick. Bookmark this part of the video and come back to it. Don't stress about it, okay? Don't stress about it. It's supposed to be super fun. Next we have verse 2. You already know everything you need to know for verse 2 because the form is the same as verse 1. We just changed 2 words. That's it. So let's play through a verse. 1, 2, you got this. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's learn the chorus. For the chorus, we need chords F, G, A minor, and C. Each one will get 1 full strumming pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you switch to the next chord. We do that 3 times. So F, G, A minor, C, 3 times. And then after that, we'll do just F and G. So let's play through that chord progression for the chorus together. I'll guide you. I'll say the chords out loud. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. A minor, C, F, G, A minor, C, F, G, A minor, C, F, G, stop. Because then that goes back into the instrumental part, whether you're doing the picking or just the strumming. I guess you could like do la la la's or maybe whistles or something if you didn't want to do the picking. That part. So it's your choice. Let's play through a chorus together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. However far away, I will always love you. However long I stay, I will always love you. Whatever words I say, I will always love you. I will always love you. Before we finish the song, I'd like to let you know that I have a Patreon site where I've added hundreds of song sheets, including this one. And I also do play along videos. So instead of having the tutorial here where I coach you, once you're ready to just kind of play through the whole song and repeat that over and over again, I've made that for my Patreon fam, and I would love for you to join the Patreon fam. So I have the link here on the screen and down below. Join us. It's a lot of fun. I also do lessons via Zoom there, so it's really fun to learn more and go beyond what I do here on YouTube. The rest of the song has a verse, which the same as the other verses, and then a chorus. Now the chorus, it has a really weird note at the ending, and I have 2 options for you. Let me know which one you like, or if you're a music nerd and you figured it out, let me know. If you figured it out like listening to the song. So anyway, let me just kind of play through it. Play with me, and let's figure out what we like for the end. 1, 2, let's start at a verse. Verse 3. 1, 2, from there to the end. 1, 2, ready, go. Whenever I'm alone with you, you make me feel like I am free again.
feel like I am clean again.
Chorus, ready, go.
However far away, I will always love you. However long I stay, I will always love you. Whatever words I say, I will always love you. I will always love you.
After this, I hear either this, an A minor with a B. So it's like fret 2, 0, 0, 2. Tell me that doesn't sound exactly like the ending. Let me get a close-up of that. So 2, 0, 0, 2. But that note appears like nowhere else in the song, which is why I'm doubting myself. So, but because I hear that, I'm thinking it could also be an E minor. But it has such a different quality, right? Anyway, maybe the E minor is right and my ears are not working. Whatever you think it is, let me know in the comments below because I'm really curious and I'd like to have the correct version on the song sheet so that everyone can enjoy it. But anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial so far. In this tutorial video, I've been playing the Enya Nova U Pro version. This comes in a tenor size. And I'm absolutely loving this ukulele, so I'll link it down below in case you're interested. These will probably sell out on the pre-order, but since you're watching this pretty early on, it'll probably still be available, so check out the link down below. Remember, if you'd like to go beyond the tutorials and learn a little bit more chord melody and something a little bit more challenging, join us on the Patreon fam, because that's what I use the Zoom lessons for. It just helps that I can have everyone's cameras on while I'm teaching something, and if everyone looks confused, then I know to rephrase something. But here on the tutorials, it's really hard to know when something has been confusing or when I can say something a different way. Plus, when we're doing Zoom lessons, everyone can turn on their camera and say, hey, this is what's working for me, and it's proved to be so beneficial. So I really encourage you to join us on those. I'd like to dedicate this video to Patreon member Danita. Thank you so much for everything. I love having you in the Patreon fam. And to all of you, I hope that you'll subscribe and come back for a future video. Love you so much, and I'll catch you later. Ciao.